Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badayani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NMEICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn globalization.
Hello and welcome to Sakshat e-Content on Marketing Management. Today, we are going to understand globalization and marketing. Well, globalization is the system of interaction among the countries in the world in order to develop the global economy. It is a system which tries to develop the global, the earth, the globe as an economy. Globalization, in other terms, is said to the integration of economies and societies all over the world. Well, the economies and the societies go together hand in hand. That is what is said as globalization. It involves technological, economic, political, cultural and other exchanges made possible largely by advances in communication, transportation and infrastructure. Well, this is what is globalization. If we talk about globalization, there are two words which goes together with globalization when specifically we are talking about Indian economy. That is liberalization and privatization. To liberalize the economy for development, to put less and less restrictions on the business, industries as well as the market is known as liberalization. While privatization refers to transferring those units to business and industries hand which were priorly there with the public sector. So globalization goes with liberalization and privatization started almost boosting the economy in 1991. Let us say there are several effects of globalization, like improvement of international trade. International trade is much more improved with the globalization. It is something like countries go together to do some business. The second one is technological progress. Comparison of the countries developed, developing, underdeveloped. Technological progress is a huge one in developing as well as underdeveloped countries. They try to cope up themselves with the developed countries as it is a global competition, it is global economy. Next is increasing influence of multinationals. Well, multinational organization is an organization which operates in more than one country, multinationals. Normally, where they are originated, over there only their headquarters are there. These multinationals are increasing because they try to take the advantages of various factors suitable in different countries. So, multinationals are increasing, their power is increasing, their influence is increasing. There are power to several international bodies like United Nations, World Trade Organizations, International Monetary Funds, World Bank, etc. This international organizations tries to integrate the economies and tries to help to those countries which are comparatively behind of some other countries. So we say that these international bodies are much more in action when globalization process is going on. You say greater mobility of human resources across countries. Well, human resources, wheresoever they find the opportunity in the better manner, they go over there, and that's why their mobility increases. At another end, organizations need skilled better manpower, and if they are availing from other countries also, they are ready to. Well, this went for greater mobility of human resources, greater outsourcing of business processes. Well, not only in production, but even to marketing, even consultancies, advertising, sales promotion, schemes, public relations throughout the globe. This is what is outsourced. Well, outsourcing increases, that is the effects of globalization. Then civil society is coming up. I mean to say, rules are becoming standard and similar in various countries. Civilization is increasing. It has got a growth instead of stability. So these are the effects of globalization, which affects in direct manner or indirect manner to marketing, because marketers now need to go globally. Marketers now need to go, you can say, using technological advances. Marketers need to go for following the rules, regulations, cultures, etc. of different countries. Well, globalization even went for increasing the influence of NGOs. When NGOs are influenced, which are taking care for several underdeveloped countries and their factors, multinationals help them as a part of society, maybe financially, maybe some other ways. So these two great powers are emerging which can develop globe. Marketers need to take care of everything. Well, Theodore Levitt made very clear that since the world is becoming standard and homogenized, companies must adapt to them. Marketers must adapt to them. Companies has the opportunity to offer the same products or similar products or localized products everywhere. And that's how marketing campaigns, marketing efforts and everything in marketing is changing nowadays. Globalization and liberalization gaining growing attention in every country. Everywhere, it is a part of their strategies, countries' strategies to go global. The advertisements go for different cultures and we very well adapt to them. Like the Western food, we adapted. Chinese food like noodles, we adapted. Western wear, jeans and t-shirt and etc. we adapted. Advertisements are much more influential. The cultures are integrating and everything is integrating. Marketers need to learn out of this. They have to be more careful and they have to develop themselves much more to go global. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.